Wage Plans and Employee Benefits is Unit 1 of the course Business Mathematics, or BM501. There are 5 objectives in this unit. So objective number 1, calculate earnings of hourly rate employees. So in order for us to understand this objective, we will have an example. Example number 1, Mr. Smith's working hours last week were Sunday 7 hours, Monday 6 hours, Tuesday 8 hours, Wednesday 7.5 hours, and Thursday 9 hours. His hourly rate is $9. How much did he earn last week? Meaning to say, we will just add up this number of hours he worked in 1 week. So that's 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 7.5 plus 9. Then the sum, we are going to multiply it by 9, which is the rate. So 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 7.5 plus 9 equals 37.5. Then times 9. So the answer is $337.50. Objective number 2, calculate overtime rates and overtime pay. So again, in order for us to understand this objective, we will have examples. Example number 2, Peter McMillan's regular pay is $14 per hour. He is paid time and a half for any overtime during weekdays and double time for any overtime during weekends. What are his overtime rates? So we have 2 overtime rates here. The first one here is time and a half rate, and to get the time and a half rate, we will just multiply the regular rate times 1.5. The regular rate here is $14, and then multiplied by 1.5, it's $21 per hour. And the second rate here is double time rate. So for double time rate, we will just multiply the regular rate times 2. Again, the regular rate is $14, then times 2, so that's $28 per hour. Example number 3, John Jones worked for 52 hours last week. He is paid on a 40-hour week with double time for any overtime. His regular pay is $18 per hour. How much was his overtime pay last week? So this is our formula in finding the overtime pay. It's the overtime rate times overtime hours. Now the overtime rate here is $18 times 2, and then the overtime hours here equals 52 minus 40. So we have 18 times 2 is 36, and then 52 minus 40 is 12, and 36 times 12 equals 432. So this is our answer. Objective number 3, calculate gross pay of salaried employees. Example number 4, Philip Walsh earns $1,650 a week. Determine his annual gross pay. So this is our formula. Annual gross pay equals weekly gross pay times 52. Why times 52? Because there are 52 weeks in a year. So we have 1,650 times 52, and that is equal to $85,800. Another example, James Johnson earns a yearly salary of $72,000. How much is his monthly salary? So the monthly salary equals the yearly salary divided by 12. Divided by 12 because there are 12 months in a year. So we have 72,000 divided by 12. and that is $6,000. Example number 6. Thomas Brown worked 50 hours last week. He is paid on a 40-hour week with time and a half for overtime. His regular pay rate is $12 per hour. What was his gross pay last week? So this is our solution. Gross pay equals regular pay plus overtime pay. Let's take note here that 40 hours is for the regular hours and 10 hours will be the overtime hours. For the regular pay, it's 40 hours times 12. Then for the overtime pay, it's 10 hours times 12 times 1.5. And 40 times 12 is 480 plus 10 times 12 times 1.5, that's 180. And 480 plus 180 equals $660. Let's do another example. Example number 7. Rey Ford works 8 hours a day with a double time for any overtime. His regular pay rate is $8.50 per hour. Last week, he worked these hours: Sunday, 8 hours, Monday, 9.5 hours, Tuesday, 10 hours, Wednesday, 8.5 hours, and Thursday, 8 hours. What was his gross pay last week? So this is our formula. Gross pay equals regular pay plus overtime pay. So for his regular pay, it's just 40 hours times the hourly rate, $8.50, plus for his overtime pay, Monday, it's 9.5 hours, so 1.5 is the overtime hours. Then for Tuesday, he worked 10 hours, so 2 hours is the overtime. And then Wednesday, he worked 8.5 hours, so 0.5 is the overtime hour. Then times 2 times 8.50. 40 times 8.50 is 340. Then 1.5 plus 2 plus 0.5 is 4. And then 2 times 8.50 is 17. So simplifying furthermore, we get $408. Example number 8. Bernard Stone's annual salary is $82,400. He receives additional 20% of his annual salary in benefits. How much is his total job benefits? So this is our formula. Total job benefits equals gross salary plus total benefits. So for the gross salary, it's $82,400. For the total benefits, it's 20% of $82,400. So 20% of $82,400 is $16,480. How did we get that? We just multiply $82,400 times 0.20. Now, 82,400 plus 16,480 equals 98,880. So this is our answer, $98,880. Let's do another example. Example number 9. This year, Stephen has a gross pay of $64,200. His benefits include insurance $2,500, housing $6,000, and travel allowance $3,700. How much is his total job benefits? So first, we are going to find the total employee benefits or fringe benefits. It's the sum of all benefits. So the benefits are $2,500, $6,000, then $3,700. Adding these three numbers, we have $12,200. Now, our formula for total job benefits is gross salary plus total employee benefits. So the gross salary here is $64,200 and the total employee benefits is $12,200. So the total job benefits is $76,400. Example number 10. Andrew's annual salary is $70,500. He receives additional 24% of his annual salary in benefits. His estimated job expenses is $18,500. Compute his net job benefits. So this is our formula. Net job benefits equals the gross pay plus total benefits, then minus expenses. So the gross pay here is $70,500 and the benefits is 24% of $70,500 and then the expenses is $18,500. Now 24% of $70,500 is $16,920. How do we get that? We just multiply $70,500 times 24% or times 0.24. So we have $70,500 plus $16,920 minus $18,500. So the net job benefits is $68,920. Objective 2.2 or objective number 5. Compare jobs using the net job benefits. Example number 11. Josh Wiggins applies for a job. Employer A offers a gross pay of $86,000 with 12% of his gross pay as additional benefits. The estimated job expenses for this job is $10,100. Employer B offers a gross pay of $80,000 with 14% of his gross pay as additional benefits. The estimated job expenses is 5% of the gross pay. Which employer should he choose? First, we are going to look at his benefits from employer A. So this is our formula. Net job benefits equals the gross pay plus benefits minus expenses. So the gross pay is $86,000. Then for the benefits, it's 12% of $86,000. Then expenses, it's $10,100. So 12% of $86,000 is $10,320. How did we get that? We just multiply 86,000 times 0.12. Now, 86,000 plus 10,320 minus 10,100 equals 86,220. So this is the net job benefits he can get from employer A. Now let's look at employer B. We will use the same formula. Net job benefits equals gross pay plus benefits minus expenses. For the gross pay, it's $80,000. For the benefits, it's 14% of $80,000 minus the expenses, which is 5% of $80,000. So 14% of 80,000 is 11,200. How did we get that? So we are going to multiply 80,000 times 0.14. Then 80,000 times 0.05 or 5%, that's 4,000. Now 80,000 plus 11,200 minus 4,000 equals $87,200. Now comparing the two net job benefits, Mr. Josh Wiggins should choose employer B. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Regil. Keep safe.